13th one, write a Python program to rearrange positive numbers and negative numbers in a given array using lambda. Okay, we have to rearrange these positive and negative numbers. Okay, given input, we have to put positive numbers on one side and negative numbers on the corner, but using lambda. Okay, using sorted function we can do easily, but we have to use lambda here. So just take this number and print it. Y is equal to sorted x comma, we have to use lambda here. Lambda key is equal to lambda. Without lambda, simple, you have to use sorted x only, but we have to use lambda here. Okay, lambda I argument expression 0 if I equal to 0, else -1. Okay, else -1 or I, simple one. I equal to 0. If I equal to 0, else -1 or I, simple. To sort the tagging, you print that one, print y. Execute it. See, 2578 minus 1031. Without lambda also you can do it, simple one. You just use sorted x, that's it. If you want reverse, simple one. Okay, if you want reverse, okay, from big to small, just you have to use reverse equal to true. Right, okay.